Hey everybody, welcome to a Thanksgiving Day edition of Truly Artrageous. I'm Neil, and today we're going to be drawing the biggest icon in Thanksgiving Day history, the turkey. That's right. But before we do that, we would really appreciate if you guys would go down below, click that subscribe button while turning the notifications on, because one of our biggest goals here at the channel is to help as many people as we possibly can learn how to draw. And the way that we know we're doing that is by the amount of subscribers that we have. So again, we would really appreciate your support by clicking that subscribe button. With that said, let's go ahead and get into drawing some turkey. Here we go. All right, before we get started, a couple things. My wife Jennifer is here.
Hey,
say hello. And also, we had somebody submit one of their pictures. Sawyer submitted a picture of his drawing of Baby Yoda that we just posted. So thank you so much, Sawyer, for submitting that, and we're going to show it right now. All right, so a couple things to get going here. You're going to need a drawing utensil, which is, in my case, a Sharpie, in her case too. You can use a pencil if you want to, a piece of paper, and then for the coloring step, I'm using markers to color my turkey in. But if you would like to use crayons or colored pencils or whatever else you want to color with, that's totally okay. Yeah, watercolors works, totally. Whatever you want to do. And don't forget, if you get stuck or you missed the step and you're stumbling over your words like I am, just hit that pause button, roll that back, and then start drawing again. All right, let's get going. So, step number 1. We're going to draw the center of his body, which is where all those feathers are. But we're not going to draw every individual feather, we're just going to draw kind of a circular cloud shape. So it goes a little something like this. And just keep going around. Do a little cloud shape. Happy little clouds, like Bob Ross likes to say.
Okay, bear with me, you guys. I'm not the artist in the family. But that's okay. That's the whole point. It's just to have fun and enjoy what you drew.
That's right.
Oh, that's scary looking. Okay.
Okay. All right, next step. We are going to draw his head and his neck at the same time. Ready? It's going to be kind of a long U shape. Up and then down, like so. Okay, next step, we're going to draw a V shape. But there's a little bit of a break in it. So here's what I mean by that. You're gonna go start right about here and go down like that. And you're gonna come up. You're gonna stop right there. And then you're gonna go up a little bit more. And just make sure that that little line right there kind of matches the top of that line right there.
I think mine extended over. Oh well.
Oh, okay. It's beautiful. All right. Next, we are going to draw the top of his beak. But this also has a piece of, is it called a waddle? I think it's called a waddle. It's like a little piece of fleshy that's hanging off of his beak.
That was important.
Ready? Yeah, it is important. All right, ready? Here we go. We're gonna go up kind of like the U shape that we did before, but we're gonna go down and past the beak. And we're gonna come up and connect it to the top of the beak, like that. So we're going to go over, down, and then back up. All right. Now we're going to draw the underside of his beak. So that's just another U shape, like so. And then it connects to the waddle there. And he's got a little bit of a smile line going on. So he's going to do some little curves like that. A little curve on that side like that. Next step, we're going to draw his eyes. 2 lines, 1, 2. Easy breezy. And then his eyebrows. We're going to go up like this, and then down like that.
Mine looks like a worried turkey.
Is it worried? Well, maybe it's Thanksgiving. Ooh, jeez. All right, next we are going to draw his plume. So it's just going to be a couple of lines that are coming out kind of this direction. I'll show you what I mean. So we're going to start right here, draw up, then we're going to come down a little bit, draw out, and come down a little bit, draw over. And the last one is going to be on the bottom here. It's going to go almost flat, like that. All right, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to draw, starting right here, we're going to go up, like that. Drop down a little bit. Just make sure that these two are kind of matching where they are. We go up like that. Same thing over here. Over like that. And then we're going to go across and down on the bottom. Now we're going to connect the lines that we just drew with some upside down U shapes. I'll show you what I mean here. We're going to go around and down like that. And then we're going to go around and down like that. And around and down like that. And guess what we're going to do again? We're going to draw a square. Just kidding. Just kidding. We're going to go around and down like that.
Oh, we're going to connect to the back of the head. Okay.
Same thing on this side. We're going to go around and down like that. Those little U shapes going, and another U shape to fill that in. So there. But one problem, he's kind of hovering, and I think everybody knows that turkeys don't hover. They have feet. So we're going to draw the legs and the feet at the same time. Ready?
Yep, ready.
So 2 legs. We're going to go lying down like this, lying down like this. Then we're going to put his toes on. 1, 2, 3. And then the other toes. 1, 2, 3.
I did my toes faster than you.
It's not a race. But yes, you did. Do them quicker than me.
You know, it'd be a really fun idea if people are doing this on Thanksgiving. For each little feather they have, they could write down what they're thankful for.
There you go. This is a day for giving thanks.
That's right.
Thus, Thanksgiving, I think is the colloquial term.
Awesome.
All right. And that is going to do it for our drawing of Mr. Turkey there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to color our turkeys in, and we'll do that in super fast motion. Jen's going to sign hers. Which is awesome. You can sign yours too.
Also known as...
Who knows? Maybe you'll be
Mom.
a famous artist someday, and this will be your first piece. That'll be worth millions of dollars.
Yes, I'm sure my turkey will be.
Okay, cool. So we're going to do that right now in super fast motion, and we'll see you on the other side.
Alright, you guys, we finished. I hope you had a lot of fun doing the turkeys today, and I would love to see if you'd like to submit what you did, just to see the kind of difference. And then, of course, because I'm obviously the artist in the family, tell me in the comments below which one you think looks better. Mine, and I named it Bob the Turkey, or my husband, Neil. Alright, you guys, have a wonderful and happy Thanksgiving, and we will see you soon.
Bye.